Hi, today we have a BMW E39 chassis with a 3-liter petrol engine. I'm going to show you how to change the oil filter and air filter. I'm going to start by removing the oil filter. Now for the oil filter, we can open it with this kind of tool, and this should be 16 with 87 millimeter. I'm going to let the oil filter to drain, and now I'm going to raise the vehicle to drain the oil. I have raised the vehicle, so now I'm going to turn this plastic here with a screwdriver and open the plastic cover so I can have access to the drain plug. And then I'm going to open the plug with 17 millimeter wrench to drain the oil. So now we can see the plug. I have removed the plug, so now I'm waiting for the oil to drain. Here I have a new oil filter that I'm going to install on the vehicle. I don't know if you can notice the Bosch number. This is the short Bosch number. And inside the oil filter we have a copper washer for the drain plug. So I'm going to install the new copper washer and install the drain plug, tighten it with 17 millimeter wrench. I have tightened the drain plug, so now I can return the plastic cover, and now I can lower the vehicle. The vehicle is on the ground, so now I'm going to install the new O-rings. We have removed the old one with a small screwdriver. Here should be the big one. Sorry, I'm going to need both hands probably. So now I can install the oil filter. And next I'm going to refill with oil. According to the manual, this engine should be refilled with 6.5 liters of oil. For this engine I'm going to use Petrol 530. Next I'm going to replace the air filter. The air filter, I have to open these 7 bolts with Torx 25 to remove the plastic cover and replace the air filter. Next I'm going to raise the plastic cover. And I have to pull on this side, remove the safety pin, and I can remove the air filter. Next I'm going to install the new one. And here I have new air filter. This is the part number. So now I just have to press down until it clicks. Like this. Now I'm going to return the plastic cover. And now I can retighten it all 7 bolts with Torx 25. So now I can start the engine. Now the vehicle has to work a little, so I can check the oil level. The level is on the max. Now we can check the service info. Now for the brakes there is still time. Oil says that has 23,000 kilometers more. Inspection, front brakes, rear brakes. Everything is okay. To reset the service on this vehicle you need a diagnostic tester. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.